In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to scroll down to click on a perfect theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings. And this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard background. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!